Abu Nadra says that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu would command us to perform Hajj Tamattu, whereas Hazrat Ibn Zubair radiyallahu anhu would proscribe us from performing Hajj Tamattu. When I mentioned it to Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu, he said, "This hadith has spread among the people through me that we performed Hajj Tamattu along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." Then when it was the reign of Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu, he said, "Whatever Allah Jalla Jalaluhu wills, He Jalla Jalaluhu makes it permissible for His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the way He Jalla Jalaluhu pleases. And the Quran has perfectly conveyed the commands. So you should complete the Hajj and Umrah in the way Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has commanded you, and marry these women. I will stone him to death who has contracted temporary marriage and is brought to me." This narration has been reported with another authority. It says that Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "Perform Hajj and Umrah separately. In this way, Hajj as well as Umrah will be completed." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2939.